Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be another challenge entry. This is from Brooke North Way, and Brooke is Brooke North Way on IG and on, actually she's B North Way Designs on IG and Boogenstein on YouTube. I'm going to have her link down below so you guys can definitely go check her out. But let me get into her entry. I'm actually going to do 3 entries in this video, because I did receive 3 at the same time. So we have her handmade card, which she made a shaker card, and this is so cute. Is this like packaging, or is it the actual like shaker from, I think it's jelly bean soup? This is so cute. And then she left it blank, of course, so that I can reuse it. And then here are her 2 embellishments, you guys. Super cute, using the Crepe Paper Hooray collection. Hopefully the lighting is not too crazy, but these are adorable. And then you guys, here's her tag flip. And you guys know I love showing you the tassels you guys make. Look how pretty this is, especially this pom-pom one with the mint green and the pink. Love it. And it's a cute little tag flip. I love them small like this. They just look so precious. And look, this one says happy birthday. I love her tags. So cute. Then we have this one here with a little rosette. It says leave a little magic everywhere you go. We have this one. It says make a wish. And then she put like a little ephemera piece here that says happy birthday. That's one of my favorite pieces from the collection. This cute little gift. She put some gemmies. And then this one, it says hooray, eat cake, and the cute little party hat. And she put a little pom-pom here. I absolutely love doing that. I think it just gives the ephemera piece some added texture. And yeah, you guys, that is her tag flip. How freaking adorable. Thank you so much, Brooke, for entering my challenge. Is this an ant? Shouldn't it not be ant season anymore? Because my craft room is right next to the backyard, and it's like, ugh, I always get like little sugar ants on my desk. Okay guys, so here is Brooke's entry. Remove my tweezers. My desk is a hot mess, you guys. I just received a bunch of dies from In Love Arts, which I'm going to do a video soon for. So I kind of like moved everything up here, didn't move it to the side, because on this side there's just a bunch of more crap. So couldn't do that either. Next entry is from Yolanda Caru, and she sent her entry in this cute little box. And look at this tissue paper. I've never seen this, so you know I'm going to save it. So pretty. Look at those colors. So I'm gonna smooth it out and save it. See, all good. And let me take out her entries. Oh, here's another piece. I totally saved this too. Put that here to the side. She sent a bunch of goodies. Oh, you guys, look at this little gift box. That's so cute. Oh, I love the way she wrapped everything up. She sent me washi. Okay, there's a little clip here. And then I think this is her tag flip. It looks like a chunky. Okay. Oh, yes. So let me move this over. And before I show you guys her tag flip, let me show you guys her card. So this is, I guess, my little note. And let's see what her handle is. Oh, this is also Yola's first entry. So that's awesome. Thank you so much. I don't know if she has any Instagram because she just put her name. But Yola, if you're watching, is it Yola for Yolanda? If it's Yolanda, let me know. But look, you guys, that's her little card. And then she gifted me this cute little clip. And then there's like this little gifty thingy. Oh, it unwrapped. And I think this is a chapstick. If it is, I'm gonna Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Look at this chapstick, you guys. Sugar frosting. Oh, I have to smell it. Simple Pleasures. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. I love this. Look how cute. Oh gosh, I like that so much. And here are her embellishments. Look how cute these are with the lace and the tulle. Have a sweet day. Happy birthday. These are pretty. Wow. First time? Look at that. Well, it's probably first time entering the challenge, not first time crafting, right? Because this is not beginner's work. This is amazing. And then look at her handmade card, you guys. Oh, she's Crafty Creations. There you go. So let's look at her card. It says happy birthday, and I think that looks stamped. Oh, that's perfectly stamped. I'm still trying to learn how to... Oh, the card opens this way. Look at that. I'm not really good at stamping, but I'm trying to get my... excuse me. Try to figure it out. I want to start learning how to do it. She left it blank, so if I wanted to use it, I love this card. It's so cute. Here's her envelope. I'm gonna put her card back in here. Her little embellishments. And now we're gonna go through her tag flip. And then we have this cute little box here, and it says for you. And let me open it up. So adorable. What is in here? Is that like a little tea light candle? Let me see. Oh, you guys, look at this. This is so cute. I don't know how to... Oh, wait. Maybe I have to pull the little tab. Yep. And then it'll go on. Oh, you guys. This is so cute. What a great idea. And she put it inside this cute little box. I love that. I'm going to leave it on while I showcase her flip book. And then she gifted me some cute little washi. That is adorable. I don't have anything like that either. That is from what? From Miss Sparkle and Co. Yes, I don't have this birthday washi. Thank you so much for that, Yolanda. If your name is Yolanda. I'm assuming that that's your name, Yolanda. And then, you guys, here's her tag flip. Look how chunky it is. So here's her tassel. It has a bunch of lace. And then look at this cute little sequence unicorn, is it? It's a unicorn. Yes, it is. It's this way. Look at that. And these are the ones that I think you move and you change the color. Yep, you do. I love that. And then here's her first tag. And it's another kind of like stamped little image. And she colored it in. And it looks so cute. I'm excited for today. And then look how cute. I love these. Girl, if you colored these in, that's amazing. Great job. Look at that, how pretty. And then we have this one. It says, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. She did it all the way down, and it has a cute little cupcake. I love these tags with that little, like almost like packaging. Look at this one. It says, make a wish. Loving, loving all her little stamped images. Eat cake. Cute little rosette popping out. I love that so much. Here's another little stamped image. Cute little flag. It says, sweet. Do what you love. She gifted me some jemmies. She stitched up this pocket with a little clip. Thank you for that. Ooh, she sent me some bows. You guys already know I love me some bows. And they're so pink and glittery. Ooh, some more here. Look at that, you guys. These are cute. All different kinds. And she also gifted me a mask. I don't have this one. It says So Meowgical. Oh, this is cute. She made me a shaker. Look at that. You see, you guys, I want to start using seed beads on my shakers. I love the way it sounds. That is too cute. And then she gifted me some candies, you guys. Look at this. Is that not cute? I love the way she packaged this. And then you just like open it from the back. That is adorable. And then the last tag is, her info's right here. Her name is Yola, and it's Yola's Crafty Creations, and she doesn't have a YouTube. So I'm going to link her Instagram down below, so you guys can definitely go and check her out. But thank you so much, Yola, for your entry. This is freaking adorable. I love it so much. Thank you for participating and all the extra goodies. It is so appreciated. And then let me see what I have here. I also received a package from, oh, this is my Halloween card from Sundown Hero. So I might as well show it. We had done a card exchange, but you guys know that life just gets in the way. I'm not the type of person, you guys, that if things come late, that it's just like it bothers me. I know how life is. I know what happens to me, how things just happen. So those things never bother me. And she sent me my card, and look how cute it is. It says, "You're spooktacular. Happy Halloween." And she also gifted me some cute little bat stickers. These are adorable. I love these so much. Thank you so much, Sundown. I love it. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.